Alright, so I gotta make this kind of quick. I've got it's about to start raining, but what I gotta do is I gotta put a new computer, PCM, whatever you want to call it, in my Jeep. This 2011 JKU Rubicon. First off, disconnect your batteries and make sure that the cables are up and out of the way and not where they're going to touch. I got them zip tied up. Next thing you want to do is you want to slip these little tabs right here, these red ones. You want to pop all those back and unplug these. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Just unplug them, and then you got 1, 2, 3 screws, nuts, whatever you want, or bolts. You can see they're Phillips head, or you can use a wrench or a socket and ratchet on them. So you take these off, and then you can take these 3 bolts out, and this will come out. See this little tab right here, little black thing? You push down on that and pull back. Just push down and pull back. There you go, that's done. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take these, I'll be using a 5/16, and I'll go ahead and get that done, and then I'll bring you back down wire on it. So keep that in mind. You'll need to hold that down while you're taking that out. 3 screws out. And there you go. The old one is out. Here's the new one. You can see it's color coded. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it right down in here and get it bolted back in. All right, so just that quick. I got it all bolted in. Now it's just a matter of reconnecting everything and sliding the little tabs up. You hear it click. You want to slide it in there until it clicks. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but let's see. Hear that click? All right. That actually took me about 5 minutes, if that, to change that out. So now I'm gonna get my battery hooked back up and see if she'll crank and run and do what she's supposed to. All right, here comes the moment of truth. Prepare for some loud dinging. Alright, so the first time I cranked it up, all them lights were on and everything like that, and I had no fuel pedal, no response. So, okay, so what I needed to do is to get the check engine light off and stuff like that. I forgot when I went to crank it the very first time, I should have turned the ignition to on and waited for a minute, is what it said, and then crank it so that everything could kind of sync up and stuff, but I didn't do that. So what I did was I turned everything off. I got out and disconnected the positive battery cable and left it disconnected for about a minute, and then hooked it back up and got in here and repeated the process the right way this time. I turned the ignition to on and just left it there for, I don't know, probably about a minute, and then cranked it up, and everything's good now. Sway bar light's blinking because I took that crappy electronic sway bar disconnect off the front of this thing and put Curry anti-rock on there, and I just hadn't shut that off yet. So everything's good. Alright, so I ordered the new PCM off of eBay. $209 for the PCM. And what you got to do is, if you're going to order one, or if you need to, you have to send them an email. Let me turn this off right quick. Okay, like I was saying, if you're going to order one, what they want you to do is you need to have your VIN number, and send a message with your VIN number, you know, to them, so that they can program it specifically to, you know, to your vehicle or whatnot, and they send it to you and you put it on. Y'all be cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'm out of here. Peace. Y'all be cool. Have a good day.